What's up YouTube? Welcome to Code with Lakshit. So in previous video we have built these three functions. Now it's time to build the delete functions. So let's begin. Delete. Then we want to delete a book if the user enters the ISBN number of the particular book. Let's say ISBN per dot exe execute delete from my book where ISBN equals to percentage s comma ISBN. Let's check this out if it's running fine or not. Okay, I have not committed it yet. Dot commit dot close connection dot close. Save it. Okay, I have printed it. Let's comment this function. Now it's running successfully. Let's delete the book. Let's delete this one. Its ISBN number is 780. Delete 780. Okay, let's check our database if it is still present or not. Okay, the book has been deleted successfully, so our delete function is working fine. Let's comment this out. Now it's time to create the last function, which is update function. Def update, and we want to update four values: title, author, year, and the last one ISBN. Let's dot execute and update my book and set title equals to percentage s and author equals to percentage s again, year equals to percentage s, and the last one ISBN equals to percentage s. Now let's get some values, not here, out of this: title, author, year, and the last one ISBN. Let's commit the commit dot close. Okay guys, one more thing we have not specified here is that we don't have the any if we have the many books, let's say hundreds of books, we have not given any kind of specification for that book if you want to delete a particular books. So for which thing we want to delete it, so we want the ISBN number from the user to delete the or to update the set of a book. So that's why ISBN we get, if the user enter the ISBN number of the particular book, we will update the particular book. So let's close the connection, save it. Now run the file. It's running fine. So we have deleted the file. Let's create the insert it first. Let's check it out. Yes, the book has been inserted. Let's change the book name. Let's say update title. Let's say habit. Author name. Let's say Rio. Then year. Let's say 2004 3. And the ISBN number of the book which we want to update is 780. 780. 780. Save it. Let me just erase it. Comment this out. Save it. Let's print this out. Okay, we got an error. Okay, to commit it, we want to do like this: connection.commit, connection.commit. Save it. Okay, let's see if it is updated or not. Yes, the book has been updated. So these are all the functions which we need for our website. Not a website, it's an application, Lakshit. So in the next tutorial, I will show you how you can connect the backend part to the front end part. So stay tuned, and if you have any kind of doubt, you can ask me in the comment box. So thank you and meet you in the next tutorial.